QuickBooks versus Excel. Which accounting tool is better? Choosing the right accounting tool can completely change how you manage your finances without getting overwhelmed. We'll look at QuickBooks and Excel, two popular options with distinct advantages. QuickBooks and Excel are both powerful accounting tools but serve different needs. QuickBooks is specialized accounting software designed for business finances, while Excel is a flexible spreadsheet tool used for a wide range of data tasks, including accounting. QuickBooks is a dedicated accounting software developed to simplify financial management for small to medium-sized businesses. It automates tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, payroll, and tax preparation. Users input transactions, and QuickBooks organizes the data, generates reports, and provides insights into cash flow and profitability. Its strengths lie in its user-friendly interface, integration with banks, and built-in compliance features. However, QuickBooks requires a subscription and may have a learning curve for those unfamiliar with accounting software. It is ideal for business owners or accountants who want a streamlined, automated system tailored specifically to accounting without building everything from scratch. Excel is a versatile spreadsheet application widely used for data organization, analysis, and accounting tasks. It allows users to create custom financial models, budgets, and reports using formulas and pivot tables. Excel's flexibility is its main strength, enabling users to tailor accounting processes exactly to their needs. However, it lacks automated accounting features like bank feeds or tax calculations, requiring manual data entry and setup. Excel is best suited for users comfortable with spreadsheets who want full control over their accounting system, including freelancers, small businesses with simple needs, or finance professionals who need custom reporting beyond standard accounting software. QuickBooks offers automation, ease of use, and accounting-specific tools that save time and reduce errors, especially for businesses with complex financial activities or compliance requirements. Excel provides unmatched customization and flexibility, but demands more manual work and accounting knowledge. For example, a small retail business with regular sales, payroll, and tax reporting benefits from QuickBooks' automation. Meanwhile, a freelancer managing a few clients or a financial analyst building detailed models may prefer Excel's adaptability. The trade-off is between convenience and control. QuickBooks streamlines accounting with built-in features, while Excel offers a blank canvas for tailored solutions but requires more effort. QuickBooks is recommended for business owners seeking an automated, comprehensive accounting solution that simplifies financial management and compliance. Excel is best for users who need customization and have the skills to manage accounting manually. Choosing between QuickBooks and Excel depends on your business size, complexity, and preference for automation versus control. Pick the tool that fits your workflow and financial goals.